Do you have a commercial property but want someone to manage it? Mike and I will discuss the benefits of a property manager along with the other services that Mike and his team can offer on this week's Team Tuesday. Hi, I'm Reece and this is Mike.
Hi.
Mike, you've been doing property management for quite some time. What is the benefit to owners when when they have someone like you taking care of their property?
Well, they can turn over all the responsibility of the caretaking of the property to us. We turn around and we can take care of daily issues that are at the property. We can take care of all the maintenance issues there as well. We collect rent, we can lease your property, and on top of that, we've got an outstanding, great bookkeeping service to manage the money.
And you oversee the whole process, right? So when a tenant moves out, if the property needs to be remodeled, you can help facilitate that.
Yes.
And tell us a little bit about that process.
So we've got a great list of vendors that work for us. So anytime if we had to remodel a place, we can come in and we can provide paint, new carpet, a cleaning service. You can come in and clean the places up and get them back on the market as quickly as we can.
Wonderful, and then I'm sure you have a great list of potential tenants too for the certain property types.
We do. We have a great advertising marketing program here at the Christi Reece Group, and we get the property out on the market as quickly as we can, and we screen them real well to make sure that we're getting good quality tenants.
I'm curious too, with your property owners, because most of these properties are commercial.
Right.
Are they here locally or are they elsewhere? What does that look like?
A lot of the owners live out of the area, and it's really the benefit for having us here because we have a great program from the standpoint that the owner of the property has the ability to get online and look at a program we have called Billium to watch to make sure their money's going in there on a monthly basis and take care of everything. So we take all of the stress and everything out of owning the properties.
Well, and as we know, the inconveniences of being an owner rarely come at a good time. So if you have a water leak or a tenant issue or whatever, it's rarely at a convenient time.
Right. Most times any of those things happen. It happens potentially late at night, and we have to be able to receive a phone call and get our vendors out there on it to try to take care of the problem as quickly as we can.
Awesome. Anything else you want to touch on with commercial management, Mike?
If you've got a property out there that we can help you with, please give us a call. We'd love to come take a look at it, give you a proposal on what our fee would be to manage your property.
Awesome. As you heard, reach out to Mike at 970-589-7700 or
970-208-3853.
Thanks for joining this week's Team Tuesday. We'll see you next time.
Have a good day.